Hi, welcome to Miss West's Portfolio. This portfolio demonstrates growth in technology for learning by going over the tools you will need for teaching your students. The page in my portfolio that I am most proud of is my Basic Productivity Tools page because of the ebook on colors that I designed. I really had fun creating it. And it's linked down below, and it's called What Color Is This? The page I struggled with the most was my multimedia page because there were a lot of parts that went into creating this page and it was not easy. See, you have an audio and a video, audio and video. Then you can click on the drop down and then there you have audio and video. So you can get to it from two places. The lesson idea I would use in the future is my ebook because I think having an ebook with colors is a fun way for children to practice recognizing their colors. What I learned this semester is all of the unique tools you can use to make learning fun, like Google Slides and Nearpod. Here's my Nearpod. And here's a Google Slides that I created.